I just got my packet. So soon you'll all have a packet that I sent in the mail. And let's see what I sent this week in my packet. I have the letter A for Anne Marie. I sent the first letter in your name in each of your packet. And there's circles to color in. Then I have fire safety at home with a fire truck. And there's 6 safety rules to follow. Stay away from fire. Check your smoke alarms. Plan on an escape route. Practice fire drills. Get out, stay out, and call 911 to report a fire. And we can color the fire truck and then put fire safety at home on it and these rules to follow. Because it's Fire Prevention Month, October. So I thought I would send some fire trucks and fire safety items. A fire truck to color and cut if you would like. This says, stop, oh no, stop, drop, roll. And on the back I have, it says, Stop, Drop, and Roll National Fire Prevention Week sequencing cards. Use this set of sequencing cards to organize the way you do it. It says, oh no, stop, drop, roll. So you're on fire. Oh no, what do? You stop. Then you drop on the ground and you roll and you put out the fire. Smother it. Then I have, is it safe? So you're going to color the pictures that are safe, like putting matches up high on the shelf is safe. Letting food boil over is not safe and not watching it. Putting new batteries in your smoke alarm is safe. Having a fire extinguisher is safe. Putting clothes over a lamp is not safe because it could catch fire. Putting too many plugs in an outlet isn't safe. And then we have pictures, and these are the same, so you have 2 of the same. You don't have to use all of them. But you can cut these pictures out or color these. These are already filled in there, so it's not so easy to color these. But this had the directions. But you can color the pictures, and then you can put on one side all the safe items and all the hot items. And just because they're hot doesn't mean you can't use them safely. You can still have your adults in your life use those items. You will need help. And then, before I did Humpty Dumpty before with you, now I have Little Miss Muffet. And so here's the nursery rhyme. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, aha! Who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. She ran away. She was scared. Sometimes spiders scare us. And she spilt her whey. Whey is like oatmeal. So you can color it in. And we'll watch videos of this during sessions. And then I have another, you can color and cut and have, it's like a puppet. And then I have dinosaurs, and they're those dots. So I have some of these like bingo daubers to color them in, but you can just use markers. So I'll show you a little bit of what you can do with the packet that I sent. So I have my letter A. So I have this little easel so I can show you. There we go. And I can take one of my bingo daubers. You might not have one of these, but you could use this. And you can daub the circles like that. Or if you don't have this, you might have markers. So, let me find. I have a green marker. You can color in the circles if you want. Or if you don't have a marker, you might have a crayon. This is a blue-violet crayon. And you can color in. The circle with the crayon like this. Or you might not even want to color in the circle. You can just go like that if you want. If you don't even want to color, you just want to color the A in, go ahead. However you like it. It's your letter. Your art. You do it the way you like. Or maybe you want to, if you had both, you could mix. You could use a little bit of both, whatever you have, or whatever your mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or aunt or uncle, any of the adults in your life allow you to use. You can do. So that's how you can color in your letter to your name. And the same will go with the dinosaurs. It's just to practice coloring. So I have this, maybe it's a Patasaurus or a Bronchiosaurus. I'm not sure which one, but it's a long neck. So I might choose to use a green color for my dinosaur. Maybe I color in part of it green. You might want to use a crayon. You might want to use gray. I've got gray. You could color it in gray. Or you could do a rainbow and use all different colors. However you would like. You might even want, let's see, what other color? I have brown. Or you could use all the colors. We've got brown, orange. You can take orange. And when we practice coloring, you're practicing moving that wrist. But it's just practice. Your coloring might be different than my coloring. So you have a bunch of different dinosaurs to color, a few I should say. So there's the long neck, there's a Stegosaurus, and a Tyrannosaurus Rex, and a pterodactyl, that's the winged one. Birds are dinosaurs. They're flying dinosaurs, right? So we have that. And then, oh, here's my Miss Muffet. So you can take and follow the words. So you're not reading it, but you can practice following words with your finger. You could use a marker to point with, or a crayon, or anything, a pencil. But you can follow along while an adult reads the nursery rhyme to you. Little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet. That rhymes, Muffet and Tuffet. Eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider that sat back down beside her. Spider, her. And frightened Miss Muffet away. Way, away, away. And then you can color this little picture in. here's some little leaves. I was going to color those green because they are, well, in the fall they're different colors, but leaves can be green, they can be yellow, they can be red right now, right? Because we're in autumn or fall. We're changing seasons. Oh, there's a little bumblebee. You want some yellow for your bumblebee that goes buzz, buzz. So you're just gonna color that in. Let's see. There's a spider. I'm gonna color that little guy in. This is your artwork. And maybe someone in your home might want to color with you. You can give them crayons or tell them a color you'd like them to use. Or they can decide. You can work together. Teamwork makes the dream work. So you can color in that, and then you can color in your little Miss Muffet any way you'd like. And maybe I'll color this in again and do a little video of how I colored it after. And then we have, so